Hi, let's discuss methods of implementing the creative process. We're going to look at 4 methods in particular: linear, cyclic, steps with intermediate feedback loops, branched network. So the linear method. This entails completing stages in one direction straight from start to end without deviation. So for this method, I want you to think about factories that use a conveyor belt where the item moves from one machine to another until the finished product is made. That's basically what this is. An advantage of this method is that it follows a logical order and no stage in the creative process is missed. Disadvantages, however, include that the preceding stages must be completed before moving to the next stage, which is time consuming. Also, as seen on the diagram, nothing really connects the end stage to the start stage, so there's not much room for improvement. Next, we have the cyclic method, which is slightly better than the linear, as even though the steps follow one after the other, when completed, the process goes back to the beginning. An advantage is that more improvements may be made due to the cyclic nature, as stages may be revisited. A disadvantage, on the other hand, is that it's still relatively time consuming. Then, there is steps with intermediate feedback loops, which is pretty self-explanatory. This method allows for flexibility as you can go back to previous steps and make changes if needed. An advantage, therefore, is that flexibility provided makes the creative process more efficient, which is ultimately the goal. So, this being said, this is possibly the best method since it's most logical. Finally, one may also utilize a branch network where persons can move back and forth along steps. You can go in any direction. An advantage, therefore, is that persons do not have to complete all stages before moving to the next stage, which allows even greater flexibility and is less time consuming. However, as you can see, this method is not very organized, which may cause confusion and cost more time in the long run. And there you have it, the 4 methods of implementing the creative process. Thanks for watching.
Created using Powtoon.